Today I want to show you how I do my eyebrows. Something very easy and quick, and we will need just 3 products. Also, if you like my eye makeup look, yes, I already posted new video using Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadow palette, and it's for Valentine's. It's a Valentine's eye look I create just for you. Subscribe, watch, comments below. First product, which one we're gonna use, it's Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's a clear brow wax. It's like a jelly sticky clear products, and I'm gonna use second my items. It's eyebrow pencil from Christian Dior, and this is its color universal. It's good for everyone. It's like if you blonde, it's good. If you have black hair, it's good. Or I'm brunette, it's good too. Let's start. I'm gonna put little bit brow wax on my spoolie, and it's time to put on my brow. I apply an eyebrow gel on my brow, and it's okay if they look like messy. Don't worry about it. Now we're gonna comb my eyebrow up. I'm lifting my brow and creating a shape. You see, it's getting better, right? And you can make shape which one you like. After lifting my brow, I'm gonna use my little bit finger and I'm gonna press. And now I'm gonna use brow shaper from MAC, and it's color spike. On one end it looks like ink, and another it's little powder. I'm gonna very small making lines under my brow, barely. I don't press in hard these products. Very gentle, feeling my eyebrows underneath. And I will put on purpose this product on my skin. I want you to see if you truly press harder what's gonna happen. You see, it's a lot of color, but I barely feeling this underneath. After I feeling my brow underneath, now I'm gonna feel little bit on front because I don't have much volume here. And it's getting very pretty. We're almost done. Now on this end I have slightly powder, and I'm gonna touch barely my hair. Now I'm gonna still use my eyebrow pencil, and I'm gonna lightly still comb this marker and pencil together for more natural look. Now I'm gonna use again one more time spoolie. And I'm gonna use a little bit my finger. And this is how my eyebrows look right now. It's clean, it's polished, but it's not too much. I still left a little bit like more spiky hair just for more natural look. Today I'm gonna show you how I do my eyebrows. We will need just only 3 products, but I promise you it will be very easy and quick, and I like more my eyebrows look more natural.